Hello friends, today we are trying to find out what are risk-free homes and how many of such risk-free homes are in Pune. Let's understand what sort of risk is associated with buying an apartment. So according to us, there are multiple risks a buyer generally ends up going through. One is the delay in handover of possession. Second would be the quality of construction, generally what people end up looking at when the apartment is delivered. And third would be financial risk, because if there's delay and the quality is not really up to the mark, then obviously you may have to end up spending a little more higher. We tried to find out how many such ready with OC received apartments are there in Pune. So in last 2-3 years we have about 67,000 odd units which have received OC and ready, out of which about 50,000 odd are already sold. So what is really left is only about 17,000 units to be sold in current scenario. If we further bifurcate this availability in terms of price range, then up to 35 lakhs we have about 7,000 units which are ready. Between 35 lakhs to 50 lakhs we have about 4,300 units which are ready. Between 50 lakhs to 75 lakhs we have about 3,500 units which are ready, and 75 lakhs to 1 crore about 1,500 units. Surprisingly, between 1 crore 2 crore we have only about 800 odd units which are ready. Then if we look at further beyond 2 crores, then there is hardly any stock which is available. So if we understand this holistically and we are talking about whole of Pune, this stock doesn't seem to be too high. Let's understand sales scenario in Pune. For last 5 years Pune has been selling average 90,000 units every year, and if we assume that this year because of COVID we see 50% dip in that consumption, it will still be about 45-50,000 units, and of which ready units will be obviously of prime interest of buyers. So total of 17,000 units, of which real interest between 35 lakhs to 2 crores is units of about, let's say, 10,000 odd units, is not much, so it can be easily consumed. So if you are a buyer and looking for something to be bought which is ready, then let's say 6-8 months down the line, I don't think we will have really stock to offer and really something which you'll have choice from. So if you think that you want to really buy something, then I think you should go out and check out what is really available to your choice. If you wish to understand this analysis further deeper, then please go to the description of this video. We have a link, you can download a report from there.